The all-star product of this video is the Dr. Dan's Cortisone. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff so much, and this stuff will change your life. It has hydrocortisone in it, which is like cortisone cream, and so I think that's the special thing about this lip balm is that's like the patented formula is it has 1% hydrocortisone, and it really is so different from everything else that I've tried. It is the only thing that has healed my lips, stopped the cracking, stopped the itching. I think that was a big part of why my lips were so bad, was they were itching all the time, and so I was scratching at them and picking at them and just constantly applying lip balm, and I think it was just working in the opposite way because I was applying it so much. And with this, I'll apply it before I go to bed, and then I'll apply it right before I put on my makeup so that it has a little bit of time to set in before I actually do my lips. It's amazing. It's nothing special. It doesn't have a special smell or anything. It just smells like lip balm. Like, there's no scent to it, no nothing. It is just a great product. I would never have known about this except that my sister worked at a pharmacy that sold these, and the pharmacist had to put them on special order because they were sold out all the time. And so my sister knew that I was struggling with my lips, and so she actually got this for me. Life changer, game changer, everything changer. Seriously, 1 hour after I put this on my lips for the first time, my lips felt better, and I highly recommend this. I've used so many different products. Like, I can't even tell you how many different lip balms and lip treatments I have used over the past 3 months, and this is the only thing that has worked. So if you want to try it, it's not as if it's gonna break the bank for you to try it, and I swear that you are going to fall in love with this if you are really struggling with dry lips. It's absolutely incredible. No, I'm not paid to say any of this. I wish that I was, but they have no idea who I am. I am just a lover of this product. It's absolutely amazing. Will seriously change your lips. It's just a game changer, especially if you're on Accutane. This will be so incredible for you. You just gotta try it. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff so much. I can't tell you guys how much it has helped me. It's just been absolutely incredible. The only thing that has helped me in the past 3 months. Okay, so that is it for my dry lip care routine. That is literally the only 2 products that I use nowadays are these 2 products. They're incredible. They're amazing. They have allowed me to wear lipstick again. I couldn't wear lipstick for the past 3 months other than when I was on camera, and you guys, the camera kind of makes me look a little bit better, so you guys couldn't really tell that there was something wrong, but in real life my lips were so bad that I couldn't wear lipstick, and these 2 products, especially the Dr. Dan's Cortisone, it's incredible. Like, the difference that it has made on my lips it's like a miracle in a little tube. It is so awesome. I highly recommend this to you guys. Go out and try it. It's amazing.